Welcome back. We are back in the kitchen this morning, getting ready to cook up some spooky, spicy foods with none other than LadyRen. Thank you for being here.
Oh, thank you for having me here. Good morning.
Good morning,
everyone. Well, October.
Yes.
Yes.
It's all about the treats, right?
Absolutely. And I mean, cake, no competition
how
to yours
cool.
and Lee.
I appreciate that. It goes without saying, but I appreciate that.
So
This is cool. This looks like a real
So how
pumpkin,
did you
doesn't
make
it?
it this shape? I walked in here and I was like, I don't know how you did that, because I don't think there's a cake pan that looks quite like that.
Yeah,
Okay.
very round.
Yeah, well, I used bundt pans.
Okay.
And I made my cake, so I baked them in 2 separate batches.
Okay.
And then I was able to shape it like the pumpkin. And
How
then
cute. Oh, look at the little smile on it.
and then I thought, okay, we're gonna have a jack-o'-lantern. So we put that
Of
face.
course, of
Yes.
course.
So you gotta have a jack-o'-lantern for Halloween.
Right?
Yes.
And what else? A witch's broom, right?
How
Those are so
are
cute.
Yeah.
those? Tell us how you made those.
So this is what I wanted to show you, and this is such a neat thing to do with if you have kids, even teenagers. Okay. So,
Yeah, fun.
you need some pretzel rods.
Okay.
And so this is what they would look like, and you would cut them in half. So you have it about this size.
Okay.
And just layer them like I've done here on a cookie sheet.
Okay.
And you would make a cookie dough. So the
yum.
recipe is on my blog. So anyone can go there and find the recipe. Really simple.
Is it a
And-
sugar cookie? Is it a peanut butter cookie?
No, it's just like a shortbread cookie.
Shortbread,
But
okay.
it's very, very simple. Just your sugar and butter and flavorings, and no
Okay.
egg in here either. And
Okay.
once the batter comes together, it'll be a little stiff. You scoop it about a teaspoon size,
Okay.
roll it into a ball like this.
Right.
And then, so simple, you put it on the edge of the pretzel stick and shape that. Once you
Cute.
have that,
That's a really cute idea.
and it's fun, and you take a fork.
And not too hard either.
And then you do this. So you have the bristles of the broom.
Of the broom.
Right.
Yeah.
So cute.
And then you put it into a preheated 350-degree oven for about 12 minutes.
Okay.
And you don't it's not to be brown, just cook. And when that's finished, you take some melted
Chocolate?
semi-sweet chocolate.
Yum.
And
Good.
this is how you know, just decorate your broom.
Fancy it up a little
Put it,
bit.
fancy it up, and you put it like this.
Move this out of the way so
Yeah,
they can
you don't
see what
cover
you're
it
doing.
up, right, and you don't cover it all the way down. And then once that is finished, you take some butterscotch chips.
Cute.
You
Because
melt them.
The broom actually does
smells
have
good.
that thing on top,
and
whatever that thing is,
exactly,
to hold it
yeah,
together.
to hold it, and then you just would drizzle it
Cute.
like that.
Okay.
And once it sets up, this is what you would have. And
How cute is that finished product?
finished product, and so simple to make.
Yes.
So when you bite into this, you have the sweet and the salty
Mm-hmm.
and the chocolate. It brings it all together. Really
Awesome and easy to do and bring
Easy
to a
to do.
Halloween party.
Exactly, and then so simple to put together, a simple tablescape.
It
for
looks so
especially
cute.
now, and cake. So once you have your cake, and you would put some cream cheese frosting. That's what I put here.
Yum.
And Lee, would you let's cut the cake. Let's cut the
Okay.
cake, and so Lee is good at cutting
Lee,
cake.
don't
so
mess this
good at
up.
cutting
let's
cake.
see.
Ooh.
Yeah.
There's something in the middle of this.
Oh.
Okay, this was my question. I came in and I
How
was like,
is it
how did
so
you
round?
make it shaped like that? What
And
is
the
it here?
reason
Oh
why.
my goodness.
And that's why
Turn this
Lee
around.
loves M&M's.
I do
It's
like
all
M&Ms.
That's the
M&Ms. How
surprise.
cute is that?
Yeah, she kept saying to me, "Well, is something in the cake?" And I think it's just frosting I put together, Lee.
But Lee, you're
Just don't
trying
ask
to ruin the
questions.
surprise.
Don't ask questions.
And because I know how much she loves, so that's why I was saying.
That
I don't know what's
is so cute.
But what I've
So
done
how do the
is
M&Ms
It's a little surprise in there.
M&Ms and pumpkin spice, pumpkin seeds. So it's just not sweet.
Oh my
and
gosh,
when you
this looks
serve the
so
cake,
good.
you
Look at
then
that.
take out some of the goodies
Yeah.
and put it in the plate and serve to your guests.
I love that.
That
Okay,
is
and what's the
really
deal with
funny.
this
So
popcorn
the
here?
popcorn is you can just, for example, I bought popcorn.
Yes.
And the one that I use, took some LadyRen's blend. And I added
a little
in there.
seasoning.
Seasoning, so you have a little sweet, you have a little
Yum.
salt.
And it's orange
this is,
for Halloween.
exactly. And this is a simple way of how you can entertain, not a big party, but this way Halloween doesn't go by because we're COVID and we're
Right.
still teeter-tottering.
And these are individual.
These
so
are
that's nice.
individual, yeah. So it's so simple, and that's how you could put together a little Halloween party.
I love that. Okay,
Very
and so people can find this on your website.
Yes, it's on the website, and the cake is very simple to make, and I'm very forgiving for, you could even use a store-bought mix cake.
Okay.
For those of us who don't
For those
really
of us
want
that
but I
are a
do.
little challenged
But
in
this
the
is my
kitchen.
pumpkin spice cake.
It
Oh my
smells
gosh,
really good.
It smells amazing. I can't wait to dig into all these treats.
Okay, well, happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
I want to
Thank
trick or
you.
treat at your house.
Oh,
Can you
yes.
imagine? I bet you give out the best
Come
treats.
on over. Come on. I do. I give out nice treats. It's
I'm
not
sure.
and it doesn't have, like I said,
No
it's
tricks.
balanced.
No
It's-
tricks at her
No
house.
tricks, exactly.
No tricks, just
now, if with the cake now, if say Lee had made me upset, and I'll be like, well, Eve,
Oh.
cut the cake, Lee, and then when she cut it, who knows what might have.
I don't want to
where
do
you
that.
get your
It's a treat.
trickin'.
Yeah, that's right. But that's the fun. It's just having fun and being lighthearted.
Well, LadyRen, thank you so
Hey,
much
thank
for being
you.
here. This is so fun. It's getting me in the spooky spirit.
Oh, thank you, and happy Halloween.
And just the weather, because the weather is not going to get you in this spooky
Oh,
spirit.
no.
Because it's not
Lee.
Halloweenish outside.